Oh, this is graphic. Holy shit, bro. You gotta kill, bro. He's infected. They're all infected. You have to kill, bro. Wow. Welcome back to my channel, man. Today we're going to be reacting to something a little bit different. So I was scrolling through TikTok, right? And then I saw this little claymated little short, right? I thought, oh, this looks interesting. I gotta look it up. I gotta do a video on it. I look it up. I haven't watched this video. This is the first time watching it, so this is about to be like a fresh reaction. So, today, you guys, we are going to be reacting to Chainsaw MAID. Huh? It's like a claymated, animated short. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you guys like this video. Comment down below what you want to see next and subscribe, man. And let's get into the video. I'm assuming there's no dialogue. It's just off sounds, just straight sounds, off straight vibes. Off rip, this is giving off like creepy middle school vibes, bro. Like PBS Kids vibes, bro. Oh, what a music change. Hold up. Oh, she trying to get freaky. Okay. Okay. Damn. Just ruining the mood? Damn. Who's banging, nigga? Hold up. Oh, she's bloody. Why you let her in? Who's coming? Oh my gosh, why are you bloody? Get out. Get out. Okay, but who? You're not... She kind of look like Lois Griffin, bro. Damn, this is graphic. Oh, nigga, no. Yeah, she's dead. Yeah, face first. Death. My boy is in shock. Look at his face. Oh. Her organs are literally, oh my gosh. She face planted in her organs. She's still alive. Run. Run. Oh yeah. Run. Run. See, that's what you get. Stupid. Oh. Oh, this is graphic. This is graphic. Oh. Body. Body, please body this. Please body this. Please body this. Oh, get out. Oh, this is graphic. Holy shit, bro. You gotta kill, bro. He's infected. They're all infected. You have to kill, bro. Wow. Yep, get up out of there. Get up out of there. Lock the door. Close the... Oh! Why did bro come in like that? Hold up. Nah. Oh. Hey, give me a raise after doing all this bullshit, bro. I need a raise. You gotta be fighting zombies and shit, bro. I thought it was over. Holy shit. What happened? I thought it was over. She's back. Oh, she about that action. About that action. Oh, Yep, dead. Split him in half. Got that boy shaking. Oh, she really about that action. Oh, they're coming through. Get ready. Oh, bodies. Oh, that's one. That's two. Body. Oh, body. Oh, damn. Kicked her shit. Damn. Straight through the head. His brain's exposed. Bro, get back. There you go. Oh, now his brains is on the walls. Oh. This is graphic. How is this on YouTube? This is so wow. Please do not watch this if you are underage. They look surprised, nigga. I'm surprised. Give your maid a raise. She just saved your life. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Chainsaw Maid. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Really hope you guys liked this video. Comment down below what you want to see next and subscribe, man. Chainsaw Maid. Needs to be an anime, by the way. That sounds like a fire anime. It started out so sweet and nice and, you know, claymated and just so cool. Then it became a fucking horror show. Zombies, gore, blood, decapitation. A round of applause for the creator of Chainsaw Maid. I literally have never seen anything like this before. Everybody getting bodied. Him, her, bodies. Me personally, I like it. I'm gonna rate this a 10 out of 10. This was something interesting. You guys let me know what you guys think about it. And I am out. Peace.